Hey folks, we have a 1962 Corvette Fuelie. It's a numbers matching 327 fuel injected motor, 4-speed, nut and bolt restored to like brand new, better than brand new. The body and paint didn't look this good back in 1962. One of the best restorations I've seen on an old Corvette. Go to volocars.com. You can see 200 classic cars. Each one is for sale, and we'll have a price tag and a monthly payment, including this one right here. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Yeah, the fit and finish is better than it was in 62. I can assure you of that. This is just absolutely pristine red glass. We have photos of the complete body off frame restoration. And for you Corvette people, you're familiar with bonding strips. I don't know exactly where they were, but that's where the two pieces or different pieces were bonded together, and they were all visible in some of the pictures. That's important because it helps document the car's not smashed. If the front end was smashed, you would have a replacement panel. You wouldn't have the bonding strips there, more than likely. So that was neat to see in the pictures. But yeah, body off frame. The whole body was taken to a bare shell, completely refinished. Now, getting back to specifics, these gaps are better than they were. These did not fit that well when they were new. All the gaps are really nice, square and flush, slick. I mean red glass. It's a red mirror. I see the reflection just like a mirror. I don't see stress cracks. I don't see where body work is shrinking. All of this is absolutely pristine. Very mild rub marks from the convertible top sitting on here. They all get that. They're not bad. I bet that would still buff out. But all of this is pristine. See how the door shuts. Opens easily. Oh, I didn't think it was going to close. I barely gave it any effort. All of this is beautiful. And just look at the lines. I mean, I'm telling you, this car is pristine, but just look at the beauty of the car itself. Look at the ribs on the hood, the quad headlights. Last year, that Corvette put a trunk in their car till many years later. All of this is beautiful. Again, I've not seen a flaw. I haven't. Normally, there's some little stress cracks. Even on the nicest cars, there'll be something. This is absolutely outstanding. I don't see a nick. I don't see anything out of alignment. I don't see a flaw in the body. It just shuts absolutely pristine. All of the chrome is shiny. All the windshield frames polished. Right up here, the pillar, this piece of chrome is all shiny. Door handles, the latches, this is new. The bumpers, the tail lights, all of the chrome is restored or replaced. It's all sparkling. Correct antenna. It's a black convertible top, all restored in excellent shape. I just put it down. There's pictures of that on our website. Stainless hubcaps with the chrome spinners. They're in mint condition. The rim is painted black, and it has reproduction whitewall tires. This is exactly what would have been on there. They're Firestones. The locks are polished. The windshield looks new. The mirrors looks new. All the stainless trim. Fuel injection emblem. I love the cross flags. I say that all the time. And then up front, all of this trim and chrome is beautiful. It's all sparkling. Very authentic restoration. It has T3 lights. These two were just changed. They were blown out, but we have T3s coming for it. That would be correct. Let's open it up. I got a lot more neat stuff to show you. I'm telling you, this car is outstanding. I'm tempted to use the word perfect, but I won't, because nothing's perfect in this world. But just look at how nice it is. Underneath is finished like brand new. The whole inside, the screws, the cardboard, the rubber mat, all is outstanding. And you gotta give me a second here to lift the mat up. This is how they were brand new. A piece of plywood. It's got the stickers. It has the jack components right here go with it. Normally those are not there. All the wiring, everything in here is just like brand new. And we're just getting started. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on the bell icon to be notified as new videos are posted. Door jambs and latches and weather strips all look great. The interior is all redone. Look at the door panel and armrest and the knobs and all that looks to be great. These dash pads, I've seen many of them where they just didn't fit right. This whole dash pad's in excellent shape. All this metal's painted beautifully. All the gauges look like they're restored. It has the higher red line, which is for the fuel-injected cars. The interior light works. You got the original radio. And again, all of this just looks pristine. The trim, the grab bar, the way the dash pad fits. This is your, not a glove box, but a glove tray, we'll call it. Kick panels match the door panel. All the carpet lays in here real nice. All the controls are real nice. The correct reverse lockout shifter. The bezel's real nice. Does have seat belts. The seats are re-cushioned, rebuilt, and reupholstered, so they're nice and firm, you know, the way they're supposed to be. Inside here, here's a glimpse of what the top looks like. The whole compartment's redone. Just everywhere I look, they didn't cut corners anywhere. Steering wheel looks to be in excellent shape. Now it's got a few little cracks in it. It might be the original steering wheel. The horn button's replaced. Visors are new. Excellent interior. So this is a fast car. It's a 360 horsepower. I think they're 11.25 to 1 compression, you know, a hotter cam. It's the Rochester fuel injection. If you run these numbers, it is late 62, which this car is, so that is the correct unit. And all of this is proper. It has the distributor underneath the correct shielding. The distributor number we looked up, that's correct for a 62, actually for a late 62 fuel-injected car. They come with the finned valve covers. The expansion tank is dated 1962. I Googled this number right here. It's a 1962 radiator. Look at the right clamps and hoses, the right fan. All this is proper. It is a VIN number matched motor. There's pictures of that on our website. The stamp on the motor looks real good. And again, all the components, the filter, that all looks right. Lower ignition shielding, the right exhaust manifolds. The number on the generator is also correct for a 1962. Everything in here you can see is detailed like factory correct. Every number and code I checked matches. Michael's going to show you how this runs, and we'll see in a couple minutes.
Everybody, top is down. It's time to go for a cruise. Then we got the 62 Corvette here, numbers matching, fuel injected, 327 under the hood. It's factory rated at 360 horsepower, and that's paired with a 4-speed manual transmission. Make for a really fun ride. Beautiful body off frame, factory correct restoration on this, and it's done to a very nice quality. Car's an absolute winner without a doubt. That's consistent with what our shop thought. They went over it top to bottom. Service and detail bill came to about $2,800. So nothing out of the ordinary there. Let's see what she's got. All right, just like that, up to 60 miles an hour without any issue. Very nice performer, more than adequate power, without a doubt. Steering's nice and tight on here. And everything's set up well. It does appear that all the gauges are working, showing a charge and great oil pressure. Yeah, come down, test drive it for yourself. Spend as much time with the car as you'd like to. If you want a third-party inspector to look at it, they can do that too. We can put a car up on the lift for you as well. And other than that, check out all the details on our website, volocars.com.
So when I said this is about one of the nicest I've ever seen, I'm talking about the underside too. And it's very fresh looking. But body was off the frame. The underbody is raw yellow fiberglass. That's the way it's supposed to be. When they're spray painted over, that means maybe they fixed something or there's repairs, they had to hide it with paint. This has all been cleaned down to its original raw fiberglass, which is correct. Now all of the chassis was completely stripped down, prepped, painted a nice semi-gloss black, even has the stencils duplicated on the frame. I think that's a date and some other numbers on there. So all the suspension, brakes, steering, all completely rebuilt, all looks like new. The correct dual exhaust system. It has these like nylon straps. It keeps the axle from dropping down too far. Those are still back there. The fuel system, the lines, the e-brake, everything under there is just like new. You look up at the motor, it's even clean Chevy orange on the bottom. The downdraft tube is there, the correct starter's there. The screw-on canister type oil filter is there. And it is the T10 4-speed that also is numbers matched, VIN number matched to this car. Pictures of that are on the website. It has the correct rear end. It's dated 1962. So this is a numbers match car front to back, and it's restored wonderfully. I mean, this is truly an outstanding restoration, one of the best I've seen. Go to volocars.com. Salesman will help answer your questions, including how you're going to get your 1962 Corvette delivered home. And if you need financing, they'll help with that too. Thanks for watching.